Hey,
What are
why?
you thinking about? Did you want?
Order. Everyone, please maintain seriousness, especially the accused who is already smiling like he won a lottery. You are not a judge, okay? You are the accused. Be in limit. Okay, so Advocate Dafifa, you can proceed now.
Your Honor, today we are here because of Mr. Ammar, the same Mr. Ammar who is standing right there. He failed to complete his English homework on time. Instead of doing homework, he was seen scrolling Instagram reels and watching cat videos instead of doing his English homework. Your Honor, is this acceptable? Absolutely not. A deadline is a deadline, not a solution, not a decoration.
Thank you, Advocate Dafifa. So, Mr. Ammar, would you like to defend yourself or would you like to confess or ask for mercy snacks?
Thank you, Your Honor. First of all, I want to say that I did try to do my homework. I picked up my pen, I take out my notebook, but suddenly sleep attacked me like a ninja.
Okay.
It wasn't my fault. My brain said work, but my body said let's take a small nap for 7 hours.
Interesting defense. But tell me honestly, why didn't you finish after waking up?
Your Honor, but when I woke up, it was night, and everyone knows night is for peace, sleep, and Netflix.
Your Honor, this is not a student. This is a full-time excuse factory. If we don't take action today, tomorrow he will say, I couldn't do my homework because the Wi-Fi was emotional. Anything, okay? Anything. It's not anything. It's something you have done.
Order. After listening to both sides, I have a conclusion. Ammar is guilty of chronic procrastination, but also guilty of making everyone laugh. So the punishment is Ammar must complete his homework in 24 hours and he will teach one new English sentence to 3 classmates. And stay away from Netflix, Reels, watching cat videos during homework time. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor, but at least can I watch one reel?
No, absolutely not. देखो उधर देख रहा है तुमको पता भी है कि वीडियो शूट कर रहा है पता भी नहीं
की है कुछ बोलो ना
This is a full-time excuse factory.
उधर देख के बोल रही यार पागल
पागल।
इधर देखना
Your Honor, this is not a student. This is a full-time excuse factory. You have done.
order.
It's not anything. It's something.
चलो फिर से
It's not anything. It's something.
इसका यही प्रॉब्लम है उधर देखती पता नहीं किसको देख के उधर बोलती है समझ में नहीं आता So if you find this video fruitful, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, follow me for more.
See you in the next video.